Welcome back to the channel, bro. Here we are again, another DIY project. Now this is a project that I'm working on for my brother. It's actually his bike. Comes from a GTS frame, so it's a mini bike. And the mini bike comes with like a 212cc engine in it. So let's start off with what's etching primer. Etching primer is a primer that you use to cover up bare metal. So like, let's say you are sanding a door panel and you accidentally sanded somewhere you shouldn't have, and now you exposed bare metal. Well, you just use etching primer on the surface wherever you see bare metal at to cover it up, because if you leave it like that exposed, you're leaving it exposed for moisture, and we all know what moisture does to metal. That creates rust, so you don't want that. Wet sanding usually is done at the end stages of a job, or when you're trying to fix some imperfections. That is the only time that you should be wet sanding anything you're working on. When you're sanding surfaces that have bare metal or primer or anything that has to do with paint, you're releasing toxins in the air and you're breathing that, and that's bad for your lungs, and that causes cancer, so you don't want that. So get yourself one of these, or just a basic one works too. The job doesn't really need too much sanding. Anything above 1,000 is very light. See how it says wet or dry? Look at the frame. It has like looks like dry, milky-ish. See that white stuff? Yeah, that's because we were wet sanding it. That's perfectly normal. That's how it should look. Same thing with this one. See all that white? Yeah, that's perfectly normal. After this step, I'm gonna clean up, the frame and all that. And then if you're working on something that you're wet sanding, you could hit it with a abrasive pad, one of those little red pads. I'll put a picture of it right here. You could hit it with that after you do this, so it's like a little bit more of a reassurance thing. But I'm gonna keep at it. I'm gonna clean the frame, and then I'm gonna show you guys after. To clean the surface after you wet sand it, all you really need is a clean rag, and some water. So now it's smooth and ready for paint. Let's go over there. So yeah, that is how you wet sand. If you guys want to see more DIYs like this, just let me know. But that is it for this job. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys later. Peace.